Alright guys, I don't know if you're ready for this one, but I'm about to take you on a tour of this great new property that's here in the Caruth Meadows neighborhood. This place will leave you drooling with envy. Come on and take a look at it with me. Welcome to 6141 East University Boulevard. This home is 2,228 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. This home also has been recently renovated with many features that I'm sure you'll love. Imagine, you're just a few minutes away from SMU, White Rock Lake, and the Santa Fe Trail. You've got all the best spots within a short trip. Whether you're craving some college vibes, a scenery lakeside getaway, or a nature-filled adventure, this place has got you covered. Need a delicious bite to eat or a little retail therapy? No problem. This place is close to restaurants and shopping centers that'll make your taste buds dance and your shopaholic side go wild. It's like living in the epicenter of Dallas, just more convenient. Sharing this content helps the channel grow and reach more potential buyers like you. So if you found this tour inspiring, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family who might be interested. Don't forget to hit that like button too, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest listings and property tours.